This is day one of 3D printing one Lego piece of a Lego set for every single subscriber until I can build the entire Lego set. Since I announced the series yesterday, we got 10 subscribers. So here are 10 Lego pieces. Now I'll paint and I'll see you when they're done. And here are the 10 final pieces after they were painted. This took me about an hour to paint, repaint, and let them dry. And then here's it once it's built. I think this turned out really well. I did have to super glue some of the parts so they wouldn't fall apart, but I'm really happy with how this turned out. Subscribe so I can build more of the set tomorrow. Remember, it's only about 130 days until Christmas, and we still have about 920 pieces left. See you tomorrow.